into the darkness where I'm lost. Whispers echo in the water. Voices I can't quite escape. In the silence they're louder, dragging me through each mistake. I'm sinking down, no end in sight, caught in this endless fight. My mind's a storm, no shore to see. Is there a way to set me free? I am drowning, drowning, and drowning in the river of my own thoughts, searching for a lifeline in the sea of what I'm not. The waves crash over memories. The good ones sink, the bad ones rise. I'm lost in all that could have been, and all that never will be tried. The waves crash over memories. The good ones sink, the bad ones rise. I'm lost in all that could have been, and all that never will be tries. This river flows with my regrets, every tear a drop in the tide. No bridges left to lead me out, just the darkness where I hide. I'm sinking down, no end in sight, caught in this endless fight. My mind's a storm, no shore to see. Is there a way to set me free? I am drowning, drowning, and drowning in the river of my own thoughts, searching for a lifeline in the sea of what I'm not. But somewhere in the distance, a light begins to break, a whisper of resistance, a chance I have to take. If I can find my footing, if I can rise above, I'll swim out of this river and into something more like love. I'm sinking